Welcome guys to Rush Webex where we are talking about the smart money concept. For today's video, we are talking about the premium and discount areas. I know you don't know, but today's you will know. So keep watching my channel where you will trade Forex. So you may have other concept, go to my part. There is a playlist. Watch about the market setup, BOS, change of character. You will understand. So I will take you through the premium area and discount area. You should know them as a trader. Let me there after the disclaimer everything.
You guys, welcome to my channel. This is Reski about this channel, guys. Every time we are speaking about premium and discount areas, and this one we use the Fibranal tools to identify the premium and discount area. Have you understood about them? Let's talk about them. The premium and discount area in Forex refers to the interest rate difference between two currencies. A premium area is when the interest rate of the currency being purchased is higher than the interest rate of currency being sold. When discount area is when the interest of currency being purchased is lower. Traders can use the concept in implement currency. So hiyo ni kizungu mingi, we could call them a lot of English that are not making sense to you. Let me tell you, let me move you now to the technical part that you will understand the inner root and the inner call. The key point is to understand. It's not reading all these English ones. They are very difficult. You see them as a difficulty. I will take you to a deal and you understand the premium and discount areas yourself. You understand them, how it works and how they are. That is the important thing that you need to understand, guys. So let's move to the premium and discount areas where you will understand them very well, and the idea it comes you understand them well. Let's switch ourselves and to the premium and discount areas, guys. So this is what I will explain using my brush. So be keen and understand very well, guys. So for the premium areas is like it's the other hand you use the Fibonacci to identify the premium. So there is three areas: the premium area, equal area, and the discount area. For example, here this is where the premium area is, guys. So for a premium area, it's like a valid under block. I have talked about the valid under block, so go and look. So if you bring your Fibonacci tools, this will be your 78, this will be 50. So the areas that are for you to enter the trade. So it means that